Welcome to Maxpro Window Films. We're excited to introduce our new e-commerce website, designed to make ordering window film and supplies faster, easier, and more convenient than ever. In this video, we'll walk you through how to navigate the site and place an order with confidence. Start by logging in using your Maxpro website login username and password. If you do not yet have a username and password, contact your sales representative or call 877-5733456 to get set up. Once logged in, you'll see the main product categories. Let's begin with automotive window films. Select your preferred series, review the available VLT options, and choose the roll size that fits your needs. Click into any product to view performance data, available sizes, and recommended use cases before adding it to your cart. Select the product, review the specifications, and choose your roll configuration. Enter your quantity and click Add to Cart. From the cart screen, confirm your selections, adjust quantities if needed, and proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping details, select your payment method, and submit your order. Please note that online ordering currently includes full rolls, tools, and promotional items only. Maxpro's new e-commerce platform makes ordering faster and easier than ever. Log in today and experience the convenience of ordering your window film online. If you need assistance, contact your representative or call 877-573-3456.